So you can see here that I'm already inside a Zoom meeting. So what I can do while I'm sharing screen is annotate in other computer screen as well, or let them annotate your screen as well. So let's do exactly that over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my other PC and share my screen from there. So I'm just going to go around and share the PC right over here. So I'm going to see the connection right over here. So you can see that I can see the guest PC. So let's say the person is trying to open up something like this document right over here. And let's say I want to annotate out. I want to point out something in their computer right over here. So what I can do is I can go to view option right over here. And here you have an option for annotation. So once you open the annotation option, you get the same option as in lesson 13 whiteboard options. So everything is the same. So I can do something like, let's say I'm going to bring in an arrow right over here. This is what I want. So let's say, for example, if I were to go over and click over, you can see that I have my name over here and the other user will be able to see me. I can also draw out. So let's say if I were to draw out, I'll be drawing on the other person's screen right over here. I can also take over the text right over here, and I can say something like change this, and that will appear in the other person's computer right over there, just like that. So you can see that this will be shared. So similarly, other people can also do the same in my case as well. So I can just close this. I'm going to stop the participant sharing right over here, just like that. And I'm going to share my screen right now. So I'm going to go over here and share my screen right over here, just like this. So now this is my screen, and now the other participant can do the same. They can annotate and they'll get the same option as you did. And they'll be able to, let's say, draw out things right over here. So let's say, for example, if they draw out something, then you'll be able to see that in your screen, as you can see right over there. So they can type in something like hi right over here. And this is exactly like whiteboard, but instead of whiteboard, they'll be able to write it down on the screen itself. So you want to see those contents in detail on what are the whiteboard options, you can see lesson 13 of the Zoom tutorial series as well. So this is how you can annotate during a meeting inside of Zoom client. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.